It's getting difficult. Nah, I lost. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna... Yo. You know what it is at game MMO Consolidation. As you guys can see, as you guys looking at right now, this beautiful toy. Um, I'm happy to present you this toy you're looking at right now. The Robotics Project and I create. We did not create. We assemble it, put all the pieces together. Basically do some soldering, and yeah. So this is what you're looking at right now. It's a game. Basically, you have to follow the pattern of the lights. Eh, yeah, there's switches. You can see the whole thing, the back, the bottom. This is the front. Yeah, there's two switches, for the sound and the power, two batteries and button keys and resistor. I mean, everything is there. Let's see the video. Let's see it.
Okay, so first up we're gonna open the box.
Okay.
We're gonna take these out.
Mm-hmm.
And then the first step, the 10K
Resistor.
resistor.
Okay. So this is the 10K resistor, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
one sec. And I'll take these out.
Okay.
We're gonna put it right here. It says 10K.
10K.
Make sure it's all the way in.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can go like this.
Okay.
And then now you can solder it.
Now use this so you can solve it. It's nothing. You can just put it on this one. What you gonna do next?
We're gonna solder this in here.
Okay. Make sure you touch it. Touch the hole. Okay.
Now we're going to cut. We're gonna use the pliers to cut the excess of
Okay.
this part.
Okay. Excuse me.
So now we're gonna put them here.
Okay.
And then you can start.
Can you touch the other hole? Touch it. Ah, that's good. No.
Get this open. I'm gonna have to put this here on the top part
Okay.
and have to make sure it's all lined up.
Okay. But this doesn't hold.
Oh, the part here. Like so. This. Then you have to put it down.
Do this sponge. Okay.
Good. So one by one.
Now you can move this. Alright, so you done? Can you give a little explanation? Like,
You have it all lined up and you have all of it connected. Make sure none of it is all, it's not.
Like they don't touch
one to
each
one
other,
to the-
right?
Yep, they're not touching it. And after that, it should be able to stick and you can't take it out.
Okay, so now we have to match the plus and minus signs
okay.
on it and insert it through. And after,
We're gonna bend it a little bit.
Oh yeah, and the bottom. And the bottom, so it stays. It stays in place.
Okay. You're gonna have to do this one first.
I'll solder it on to keep it in place.
You can touch it. Alright, you're good. Do the next. Alright, you're good. Now, what you gonna do with the excess?
You cut off the excess.
Okay. Yes. So what you gonna do?
I'm gonna put the light bulb into the circuit board.
Okay. Anyway, you just put them anyway, or just
Put the shortest part on the negative side
okay.
because the longest side is the positive.
Okay. You're gonna bend it. You know. Are you bending all of them?
So that they could stay on the circuit board.
Okay. So what you're gonna do next?
Gonna solder the wires onto the circuit board.
Okay. What should you pay attention to when you're doing it? Like, should they touch each other? Like,
No, the solder should not make the wires connect.
okay. So what you're gonna do with the excess?
Cut the excess wires off. They're not touching.
Okay. So you're good.
Well,
You can go.
okay, so basically you're gonna apply the clips to either side on the corners.
Okay.
So you apply the first one. You have 4 of them.
Okay.
It should click right in.
Okay.
Apply a second one on the other side. Just like that. Third one. Make sure the back side is facing inwards so the battery can fit inside.
Okay.
And then the last one. Just like that. And make sure it's secured. So now you're gonna solder the back pieces so that the battery clips won't fall off. So how you do that is you get your metal, you get your soldering tool, and the metal. Make sure it's plugged in. Put a little bit, the ends, a little bit, and cover it just like that. And then you do it for every single part of the battery clips. And do the same for the other side. And that's it.
So you good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Okay. So what you doing right now?
Putting in the switches.
Okay. And are you putting them like upside down? Like how are you putting them?
On the bottom. Whoa, putting them on the top.
Okay. Okay. Let me hold it. Okay? So you can do that. So what's your next step?
Solder.
Okay. Are they gonna touch each other?
No,
Why?
because that would mess it up.
Okay. So you're done, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take this out
Okay.
and put the button keys on top.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take each of the 4 screws and put them in the designated slots on the board. And then after we do that, we're gonna take the stubs and put them on top. Oh no. Good enough, huh? It's batteries.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the batteries. I'm gonna put the batteries in. So basically that's it. We finished. This is the final step. So they can hear you playing. Just gonna do this. Turn off the sound and basically playing without the sound. I think it's not as cool because you cannot hear it, but I think it's pretty cool, like, you know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, anything basically, just to show us that you enjoy the video. Thank you so much. A huge shout out to all the students of the Robotics Project, especially those who participated on making this video. I don't remember the names on top of my head, so happy respect, happy love.